So anyway, here we are back in the shed. Gonna get this little piece working today, or at least have a crack at it. I've had some good advice from the first video as to how to strip all this down. I've done a little bit of research, a little bit of shopping, and we should make some good progress today, so hope you enjoy. I've already taken this pulley wheel off, and some good friends at an engineering company up the road have let me use their lathe just to take that down a little bit. So we're going to strip this off and get a new pulley on there, put it back together, and just see if we can get it working today. Okay, let's go. It's just a normal little thread on the back of that, obviously imperial because it's old. Someone's told me that this lathe is from 1890, so that's 130 years old. So I've got this here, it's going to go on there, but the trouble is this is too big to sit in there, so I need to just take one of these wheels off, so it's 100mm maximum, and then it'll work. So here we go. So we got a bit of a problem. It's easier for me to show you than it is to try and explain it. Right, so when it goes in there like that needs to go on that way. It's that way around. Won't fit. It will fit that way, but when it's in place, it's not going to work that way neither. So I can either take another wheel off, or try and notch it so it goes on. So first of all, I'm going to try and notch it and just see what happens. Try that. You can see when I see. So it's going to go there. No, gonna have to come off. So now I've got this cut down from the 4 to the 2, so it will fit on there. When I put that in there, there's the tiniest amount of clay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bond it up with this, get that glued onto there, well, the other way, like that, and then we'll be ready to roll. First thing I want to do hole for a grub screw, and so I'm going to drill a hole into the shaft to accommodate that, just to stop any slippage. So we'll do that now quickly before we go any further. Put that in through there. Pop that through the hole. Hopefully. Ooh, well that worked. Right. Yes, mate. Here's a good screw. Just about the right size. Got a little helper today. Hello, Pops. What are you eating? Get out. Party. Alright, give this a good mix in there. Tease it in. Chicka wow wow. I did a little strategic pencil line there to allow it to there you go. The one. Pop this in. Oh, that's beautiful. Perfecto. And we just leave that to dry while we have a bit of a tidy up. Right, we've given it a bit of time now. That's dried. I've put it onto there. I mean, it's only, that washer can come off. It's only just propped in there really. It's nice and free running. I've popped the motor on the table. Just stuck it on a bit 4x2 for now, just for testing purposes. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this all back together and see if we can survive. Looking good. Get this chuck on there. And there we go. I don't know if it's going too fast or not, but there's a little bit of a rattle coming from this, but that's just that casing on the back. Shouldn't be too much bother to tighten that up. About think all in all that's a successful day's produce. Just got a few screws in. I took a piece of wood in the end, but I haven't got the wood turning tool rest or whatever you call it, and I haven't got any carbide bits for this, so I'm kind of stuck for doing something, but I've got to try. So let's fire it up. There you go. Boom. It's a bit round. It's a bit round. Try a bit more. Not bad, not bad. There you go. 130-year-old lathe. Now working.